when I posted a video on TikTok, one of you guys asked me where I get my data from. Okay, so this is the whole essence of this. Okay, so first and foremost, just to answer the question direct, I get my data from Yahoo Finance, and that's what basically I be teaching you guys on how to pull data, and we do slide a bit of plotting, but yeah, that's it. So first and foremost, what do we need, or rather, what are we doing here? So by the end of this video, you're supposed to understand how you can pull any ticker from Yahoo Finance. But of course, this is the basic way. Okay, but again, good for a start. So you'll be able to pull any ticker. You'll be able to add columns. You'll be able to specify from which period you want. Okay, for history of the ticker, and also you'll be able to. I'll teach you how to plot any ticker on a chart. So let's go straight forward. For this, we'll be using yahoo.finance, and for that we have to simply import yfinance as yf. Okay, yfinance as yf, and also for the bit of plotting that we'll be doing, it's also good we import metalib metaplot lib. Okay, metaplot lib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, and let's run that to confirm we have no errors. So with those two is not direct. Okay, but before we go any further, let's first define our global variables, which is we'll have our ticker. We'll also have a start time. Let's call it start underscore time, and at last end underscore time. So our ticker, this basically can be anything. For now, let's go with Euro USD, and our end time. Let's choose a date. Let's use 1993. We want to go as far as we can. Let's go 1993. Let's just do 1990. January 1st. January 1st. Okay. And our end time, let's do 2026. Today is on date March 3/13. So this will be 2026 03 13. Okay, so that's our end time. So let's go straight to the pooling of data itself. So let's again create a data file, a data frame, and here we use yfinance, of course, to pull. So that's yf.download, and now here is where our variables come. For our ticker, you can simply copy this. That's our ticker. Sorry, copy that as our ticker, comma, start time, of course, start underscore time, and end time. So basically what this will do, and again, you have to make sure that our program understands that this is our start, the start, and this is our end. So basically what we're going to do with this is basically we are pulling Euro USD from 1990 January 1st to 2026 March 13th, which is today. So by running this, we'll simply store that data in this data frame. Okay, let's run that to confirm if we have any errors. Um, possibility, no time. Okay, let's switch from USD to something like SPY. See if that comes again. See, that's clean now. Okay, we'll work with this, but the reason that is coming is because there's possibly lack of data of that ticker. But again, up to there we're good. Just to confirm what we downloaded, and again, all this is stored in the RAM. Later in the video, I'll show you how you can store these in your hard disk. Okay, so um, let's let's simply read the first 5 lines of that data frame head. Okay, let's see the first 5. You can see what you got. 1993, you got the close, high, low, open, and volume. Okay, which means we're heading on well. Okay, by there. Now the problem with this is if I shut off all this, okay, or rather if I do some sort of refresh, there's a possibility that I can get lost because it's stored in the RAM. Okay, and you know the RAM keeps on erasing. So how can we save this? Again, that's so simple. Okay, because it's simply data frame dot to Excel. So to Excel, it's already here. Then you have to make sure that you have a file name. Okay, so let's call it SPY underscore data, and also don't forget the file extension .csv so that you can be able to open in in a program such as Excel. Okay, let's run that. Zero errors. Oh, here's the error here. We should do CSV here. Okay, let's run that and see. Zero errors. And yeah, that's our file there. Let's try opening it, see if we have anything here. And you can see what you got. Open high. Again, this is a file that you can go through, and it's super long because it's from the year 1996 to today. Okay, so that's good. That's good. So let's go to the fun part now. Let's try to plot one of those columns. Okay, um, and to do that, it's kind of simple. Okay, because that was the whole point of this. Okay, um, so let's do just a simple plot dot plot. Then what do you want to plot? You remember that file had close, open, all that. So we can simply say data frame one of those. Let's say you can say close, high, open. Let's plot close. Let's run that and see. You can see how our close looked like, but I want to see how the volume looks like. See the volume. Just curious. Okay. And what else can I wanna do? I wanna know something like open, open. Let's run that and see. Well and good. So the thing here, you can do you can switch these to any ticker you want. That's why I insisted on changing that. Let's try something like Euro USD and see. Euro, sorry, Euro USD. Let's run that and see. Again, these that are missing. Okay, let's try bringing this down to around to 2000 and see. Still no. 2010. Let's see. Still no. So this is definitely an issue. Let's try SPX. Still no. Okay. SPY. Okay. So and that's the issue. That's the issue really with yfinance. Okay. It's a good data source, but again, because it's free, free things come with their own problems. Yeah, that's it.